Hello, everybody. I'm using Google Sheet, and the function that I'm choosing for this project would be average. The first thing we'll do, I'm using fake student data. Make a copy of the file. Scroll, copy fake student data to it's loading. I'm gonna go here and set up the title with this column and call it grade. Boot highlighted, make it bold, and alignments could be central. Use the function. I'm gonna select average. I'm gonna highlight B2 and C2 because I'm trying to find out the average for this student named Jake. Press enter. And it will give you all overview selection, which makes very easy. What it does, it populates all the cell for each individual for you using the formula that we just set up using the average function. I will use the check mark, and it populates all the fields we automatically. And just say it because in Google that says for you automatically. And that is how you use the function called average in Google Sheet. Thank you.